Good morning, guys. It's the first day. We're going to Magic Kingdom and we're rushing, but I wanted to show you our view. Literally a perfect view. My skin is doing some weird shit today, but it's kind of nice out, not too hot. But yeah. So I will catch back up to you when we get to breakfast. I think we're going to eat something real quick. I forgot to vlog when we got our food, but basically we got a bounty platter, which came with like fruit, potatoes, eggs,
incredible tomato,
sausage, bacon, and a Mickey waffle.
Everything's 2 to 10 minutes.
And then we got
a
Mickey waffle and bacon on the side. So we all split that.
Oh, now everything. Wait, what's 35?
So we're gonna leave for Magic Kingdom soon. I think we're walking there. We have to leave our bags at Bell Services first. We're walking to the Magic Kingdom. It's humid. My hair's gonna puff up. I have my limited edition Steamboat Mickey. I can't show you. Magic Band. We just went through security because you now go through security on the walkway to Magic Kingdom. So we don't have to do it when we get there. So we're in Adventureland now. I didn't know, but the park opened at 8 today, but it's about to be 9. So we're walking to Jungle Cruise right now. You can't even see me. We're walking to Jungle Cruise right now to get on standby. So we're gonna do Jungle Cruise. But yeah, the park's like really dead right now. So not until it opens at 9 a.m. though. It's not really that hot outside, but we just went on Splash Mountain and I got front row, so I kind of got soaked. But now we're walking to, where are we going?
Peter Pan flight.
Peter Pan flight, because we have a fast pass at 9:30. So we're gonna go do that. So me and my sister went to Storybook Treats to get the Peter Pan float, and we only ordered one of them. But he saw it was my birthday, so he gave us 2 on the house. And it's like this Sprite float thing with like lime ice cream, and it's actually really good. Currently on the 7 Dwarfs and we're about to get off, but I think we're gonna go to Sleepy Hollow to eat because I'm kind of really hungry. So I'll catch up with you when I get my chicken and waffle sandwich. Animal Kingdom Lodge because that's where we're staying. And we're gonna rest there for like an hour and then head back to Magic Kingdom for fireworks.
Baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder.
So we made it to Animal Kingdom Lodge. We made it to our room. Maybe we weren't supposed to have a Savannah view, but we do. So we made it here. We're probably gonna relax a little bit. We're probably gonna make it to the bus around 8 to get to Magic Kingdom. We're gonna stay for the fireworks and then we're gonna come back to the resort because there's a like new thing tonight where it's like paid extra hours, so that's from like 10 to 12, so we're gonna leave at like 10 and then we're gonna come back. I'll probably edit this vlog and go to the arcade or something. But Ohana was really good. I vlogged a picture of the food. It was really, really good. The noodles are really good and so are the dumplings. So if you're ever in Disney and want a good dinner, go to Ohana for dinner because it's really, really good. And the Polynesian Resort. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And I'll show you some of the animals that are outside right now because there's like some wildebeest and stuff. This is our door. Full length mirror here. And I never got to show you my outfit for today, but it's just this white shirt you saw in my packing video and just burgundy shorts, and I have on my checkerboard Vans, but full length mirror, and then you come over here and it's like a coffee station. Here's the bathroom with another full length mirror. There's another mirror. This is the sinks. And you come over here, there's like a closet here, and this is the bed. This couch pulls out to another bed. I'm watching Freaky Friday right now. And then this is our view, and you can see a wildebeest like right there and there. There's some.
Reach out and find your happy
The battles and the story, the losses and all the love, we change by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Okay, so we're back in the room now, and it's like 10:40, and we're all really exhausted. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. We did a lot today, a lot of walking, especially after landing at 4 in the morning and literally not sleeping. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be like a really chill day. I think we're supposed to do the water park and stuff like that. So good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Right, motherfucker, yeah.